Reduced syllabus. Lessons 5 to 8. Lesson 5 Monetary Economics. 5.1 Introduction. 5.2 Money. 5.2.1 Meaning. 5.2.4 Functions of money. 5.3 Supply of money. 5.4 Quantity theories of money. 5.5 Inflation. 5.5.1 Meaning of inflation. 5.5.2 Types of inflation. 5.5.3 Causes of inflation. 5.7 Trade cycle. 5.7.1 Meaning of trade cycle. 5.7.2 Basis of trade cycle. Lesson 6 Banking. 6.1 Introduction. 6.3 Commercial banks. 6.3.1 Functions of commercial banks. 6.3.3 Role of commercial banks in economic development of a country. 6.5 Central bank. 6.5.1 Functions of RBI. 6.5.2 Credit control measures. 6.5.4 Reserve Bank of India and rural credit. 6.5.5 Role of RBI in agricultural credit. 6.5.6 Functions of agricultural credit department. 6.8 NABARD and its role in agricultural credit. 6.8.1 Functions of NABARD. 6.9 Reserve Bank of India and industrial finance. 6.9.1 Institutional setup. 6.9.2 All India level institutions. 6.9.3 State level institutions. 6.10 Monetary policy. 6.10.2 Objectives of monetary policy. 6.11 Recent advancement in banking sector. 6.11.1 E-banking. 6.11.2 RTGS and NEFT. 6.11.3 ATM Automated Teller Machine. 6.11.4 Paytm. 6.11.5 Debit card and credit card. 6.11.7 Merger of banks. 6.12 Money market. 6.13 Capital market. 6.14 Demonetization. 6.14.1 Objectives of demonetization. Lesson 7 International economics. 7.1 International economics Introduction. 7.2 Meaning of international economics. 7.3 Subject matter of international economics. 7.4 Meaning of trade. 7.4.1 Internal trade. 7.4.2 International trade. 7.4.3 Difference between international and internal trade. 7.6 Gains from international trade. 7.7 Terms of trade. 7.7.1 Meaning. 7.7.2 Types of terms of trade. 7.7.3 Terms of trade related to interchange between productive resources. 7.8 Balance of trade versus balance of payments. 7.8.1 Balance of trade. 7.8.2 Balance of payments. 7.8.3 Components of POP. 7.8.4 Balance of payments disequilibrium. 7.8.5 Types of BOP disequilibrium. 7.8.6 Causes for BOP disequilibrium. 7.8.7 Measures to correct BOP disequilibrium. 7.9 Exchange rate. 7.9.1 Meaning of foreign exchange. 7.9.2 Definition of foreign exchange. 7.9.3 Rate of exchange. 7.9.4 Definition of equilibrium exchange rate. 7.9.5 Determination of equilibrium exchange rate. 7.9.6 Types of exchange rate. 7.9.8 Determinants of exchange rate. 7.10 Foreign direct investment. 7.10.1 Meaning of FDI. 7.10.3 Advantages of FDI. 7.10.5 FDI in India. Lesson 8 International economic organizations. 8.1 Introduction. 8.2 International monetary fund. 8.2.1 Objectives of IMF. 8.2.2 Functions of IMF. 8.2.3 facilities offered by IMF, 8.2.4 achievements of IMF, 8.2.5 India and IMF, 8.3 International Bank for Reconstruction and Development or World Bank, 8.3.2 functions of IBRD, 8.3.4 India and World Bank, 8.4 World Trade Organization, 8.4.2 functions of WTO, 8.4.4 WTO and India, 8.6 South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, 8.6.2 functions of SAARC, 8.7 Association of Southeast Asian Nations, 8.7.2 functions of ASEAN, 8.8 BRICS, 8.8.2 functions of BRICS.